Hi car enthusiasts, welcome to your own YouTube channel, TheAutoVerse. In this episode, we're exploring the exciting comeback of a classic, the 2025 Ford Capri. The iconic Ford Capri returns with a modern twist, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. This 2025 iteration has been crafted to capture the spirit of the original while delivering a fresh and dynamic experience for today's drivers. The new Capri comes in two variants, a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4 engine generating 320 horsepower and a high-performance 3.0-liter V6 delivering an exhilarating 450 horsepower. Both options come paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring crisp gear shifts and thrilling acceleration. Rear-wheel drive is standard, providing that classic sporty feel, while an all-wheel drive option is available for improved traction and versatility. On the design front, Ford has kept the essence of the Capri alive with its sleek coupe lines and long hood, but with a thoroughly modern aesthetic. Up front, the Capri features aggressive LED headlights and a wide grille that commands attention. The aerodynamic shape and sculpted sides enhance both the vehicle's appearance and its performance, reducing drag for better efficiency. The rear end is sleek, with bold LED taillights and a subtle yet sporty rear spoiler. Inside, the 2025 Capri offers a driver-focused cabin that seamlessly combines retro charm with high-tech features. The dashboard design pays homage to the original but is enhanced with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with Ford's latest sync software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. Premium materials like leather upholstery, brushed aluminum, and soft touch panels elevate the sense of luxury, while options like ambient lighting and a premium BO sound system allow for a customizable experience. The Capri isn't just about style and power, it's packed with advanced safety features too. Ford has equipped it with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The car also features a semi-autonomous driving mode, making long drives more manageable and safe. The engineers have worked on balancing performance with comfort, so even with its sporty heritage, the ride remains smooth and the handling is precise. The 2025 Ford Capri is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, offering something special for both enthusiasts of the classic model and newcomers looking for a striking, performance-oriented coupe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.